I'm Leonard Zigales. This video is all about introduction, so I'll be introducing myself to you. That way you will know me better. We'll start with the course I took, which is Business Entrepreneurship. I am assigned in Class 1C. I turned 18 3 months ago, and I live in Carmen Agusan del Norte. So one of my hobbies is playing ML. Here are some highlights.
What the hell is even that?
Also, I play chess, although sometimes I lose at some unbelievable reasons. Still, I enjoy it. After all, that's the purpose of hobbies, being enjoyable. There's no particular talent that I can say, though if there's any, it's probably good memorization and comprehension skills. Now I want to share a bit of a life story as well. Growing up from a family of 6, as the oldest brother, I learned what responsibility meant from a young age. Madalas kami nag-aaway over random matters, but it's okay after all. Nasusolusyonan din naman namin agad. And also, it's part of life. Life is hard, but we always manage to get over it. Also, as the oldest, I'm always expected to perform excellently in school. Although lately I feel less pressure. Still, we can't deny na my expectations pa rin mga magulang ko sa akin. So I guess life wasn't that hard on me. Just hard enough to force some changes to myself. That's my full introduction. So again, General Gales. Peace out.
Only in the evening, so I ask, am I just dreaming? I love you so much that it's dripping, dripping.